Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group DTM4. My name is Nuri Asma binti Muhammad Asri. I want to talk about GPU test on Geekbench benchmark. The highest GPU number better at handling demanding tasks such as analysis. It also can process more data quickly. As for the moderate GPU, it also can be used to search information, but it may be slower to play games or do any heavy tasks. Next, for the lowest CPU number, the computer will struggle with many problems, such as slow for data processing, the result in delay when running heavy applications and others. So, more higher GPU number, more faster it can process data.
Advantage of having a lot of cores is, first, a smoother user experience means that navigating through apps, menus, and features feels more responsive and seamless. For the second one, more efficient multitasking that allows user to switch between multiple apps and processes without slowdown or crash. Third, improved gaming performance. Improved gaming performance refers to smoother graphic, faster load time, and better responsive in games. This can be achieved through more powerful hardware. The disadvantage for having less core in computer. First, limited multitasking performance means the system may struggle to handle multiple apps or tasks. This can lead to slower responsive or even app crash when too many processes are running at once. Second, longer processing times refer to delays in executing commands, opening apps, or loading content. The potential bottleneck in gaming. When hardware limitation, like a weak processor or graphic card, slow down game performance.
Hi, my name is Anis Madiha. So now we're going to talk about frequency, maximum frequency. Okay, so what is frequency? Frequency refers to how often something occurs within a specific time period. Okay, so for size, there is advantage of a high memory size. A high memory size indicates better overall performance in multitasking or demanding applications, and can handle larger data set and perform complex tasks to be more efficiently and without lag. Okay, so next, disadvantage of a low memory size. Okay, so when the memory size is low, it will indicate slower performance in memory intensive tasks, and it can cause delays in multitasking and slower processing when running complex applications or handling large data sets. So that's all from me.
My name is Inanita Kifah binti Habibur Rahman. I would like to talk about the advantage of having a high score in CPU, GPU, memory, and storage. Firstly is high performance. A high scoring GPU allows to run at high graphic setting without lag. This is important to make a task such as gaming, design, or any task that demand a high level of graphic rendering. Secondly is high frame rate. The frame rate remains stable and high. For example, the image will be updated quickly and consistently. Moving to memory and storage, this component play a big role in providing efficiency for our user.
Of having lowest score in CPU and GPU is when a device has a weaker CPU. It struggles to process commands and run application efficiently. As a result, tasks like opening apps and responding to user input can take longer than expected, leading to delays and slower overall experience. And for the memory and storage, a weak CPU greatly restricts your system's ability to handle multitasking, running multiple applications at once, or performing resource-heavy tasks like video editing, gaming, or data analysis. It also struggles with modern software uses, which tends to require more processing power. As a result, user experience lower performance, more lag, and frustrating delays when using demanding application.
Factor to the speed of the computer. First, number of cores. Large number of cores can handle more tasks at once. That means improving multitasking. Next is GPU. Powerful GPU can do many calculations at the same time and increase efficiently in tasks that require calculation. Lastly, cache size. Large cache size can process information quickly because it stores large amount of data. Next is new knowledge. One, know the level of computer performance because we already do comparison between computer. Next, know function of Novabench and Geekbench. After doing this assignment, we know these two applications very useful for computer users. And lastly, learn new function of component such as CPU, GPU, and